Little elves, your greed has led you here to my idea of Christmas cheer. With a Yuletide toxin you've been dosed. Now trade and steal for the antidote. Ho, 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 ho.
I think we've been drugged, kidnapped, and poisoned.
Do we have to play this game of white elephant for the antidote?
And in so doing, reveal the darkness that lies within our hearts? Oh, fuck that, I'm taking the antidote!
You must play to swap these gifts, or you'll join my naughty list.
That sick fuck! He wants us to play by the rules!
Round one. Evelyn goes first.
I'll take the antidote.
And I'm second. I steal the antidote from Evelyn.
Brown paper packages tied up with strings. You must choose a gift before you steal things.
There's some pretty big bags here. I wonder what's in them.
Damn, it doesn't matter, just choose one.
It's a Fitbit. Yeah. I mean, I guess I'd rather have the antidote, but I mean, I've been wanting one of these. Oh, cool, an espresso!
Holy shit. An iPad Pro? I guess there was no price limit on this, huh?
Oh, wow. Daffy Duck Chia head?
Round two.
I'm keeping the antidote.
I'm gonna keep this. Are you crazy? I'm trying to be more active.
You can't be active if you're dead.
You're being an idiot, Tim. Okay, I had to really think about it. You're being an idiot, and there's no point enjoying barista quality coffee at home if I'm not alive to drink it. So I'm taking the antidote.
And although Apple Intelligence's new writing tools would free me from the burden of ever having to write an email again, I'm swapping with Tim.
Okay, and I will be swapping with Andrew for the iPad Pro.
Molly?
What? When Tim kept the Fitbit, nobody yelled at him.
Yes, we did.
Round three.
All right, I'm swapping with Chris for the antidote.
Tim, what are you looking for an exit?
Huh? No! I just set up the step counter. Only 9,987 to go. I'm not gonna make it!
Guys, this is crazy! I mean, Daffy Duck with funny green hair. What do they think of next? I gotta be alive to find out. I'm taking the antidote.
I'm taking the antidote.
Chris, you started this round with the antidote.
What does that matter?
Within each round, you can't steal the thing you started with.
Why did I get shot?
Oh, sorry, I think I hit the wrong button. Oh boy, did I mislabel these again?
Hey, stop shocking Tim.
It thinks I'm kayaking.
I am taking a Fitbit.
No, my stabs!
My move, Biznatch. Give me the fucking Nespresso machine. What?
Are you saying Nespresso?
Molly, this is crazy. You're gonna freaking die. Not before I save $300 a year on coffee. Oh no! I was wrong. My hubris.
Molly! Oh, Molly, no! Wait a minute. Heartbeat 0. Gulp.
Screw this.
Oh!
It was just Boone's farm? Oh! Wait! I know how to get out of this. We can harness the power of the awesome Apple Intelligence. Siri, how can I get out of a madman's murder
puzzle.
To get out of a madman's death trap, you can sell it on the retail market during what's called a recession period.
No! No, you idiot! That's how you get out of a timeshare!
I can't believe this is how I die. With objectively the worst gift.
The moral of the story is your greed will be the end of you if you distract yourself with the capitalist trappings of our shared. This could be a nightmare of constant consumerism. Death is always looking round the corner. Time is one thing that you cannot find. So just be kind. Just because you don't know where you're or a healthcare CEO. That is the twist. These characters in this sketch were you